Ah, you see what that is? Sunshine. We are in Florida, y'all. Big Lagoon State Park, Pensacola, Florida. Haven't filmed a lot the last few days. We've just been driving, heading east.
It's been cold and rainy.
Cold and rainy. So we're just making tracks. Funny story though, we actually made reservations for Christmas because we didn't want to be stuck like last year. And Fort Pickens National Seashore, and we're meeting another couple there in Zion for Christmas. So we booked it out, and then the campground flooded. So
another Christmas in the trenches.
So we scrambled. We actually found a free place by permit. We booked the group site. It was still available. We have no idea what it looks like. We'll know tomorrow when we get there. So
looks good online.
Yeah.
Price is right.
Yeah. Love it.
It's right on a bay, not too far out of Pensacola.
Yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna head to the fish market, get some fish.
Joe Patty's.
Joe Patty's.
Joe Patty's Pensacola Fish Market.
We just got a roast. I don't know. We're just gonna eat a bunch of food the next few days.
Yeah, the couple we're meeting, we met them last year at the Tampa RV shore. Tampa RV, we're at the seashore,
yeah.
Seashells. So we met them at the Tampa RV show. They were down looking to buy a road truck Zion like ours. They're from Nova Scotia.
Yeah.
And so met them there, and now they have a road truck Zion, and they're in the area, so we're gonna do Christmas together.
Yeah, I'm really pumped. They're gonna make Dutch treats, and I'm gonna make apple pie. So it's
We
yes.
We are gonna make.
This
apple
is the
pie.
baker over here. This is the baker, and this is the taste tester. Oh, girl. Yeah. We're just gonna go for a walk here.
We're pretty spoiled. We had a couple days of rain. Wow.
I know. I am not complaining, people. You did not hear me complain. Let's get this girl on a walk. Dump tanks? Check. Fill water? Check. We're headed for propane? Check.
Tell Dave we're filming? Not checked.
you just gotta go with it, man.
I didn't comb my hair or nothing.
Okay, so we're headed to this mystery campground we found for Christmas last minute. See if it's gonna work, but first we have to stop, pick up a couple things for Christmas. We gotta fill propane. We are going to what we think is one of the best seafood markets. Well, it is the best seafood market we've ever been to. Yeah.
Joe Patty's.
Ooh, maybe I'll have a beignet for breakfast. They have a little beignet booth out front. Does that sound good?
It sounds great.
It sounds a little good. It's actually always a good sign when a fish market's busy. It's crazy in here. Oh, they have crawfish. We have not done crawfish. So what do? We just go down to the end and wait in
Now we
line?
just go stand there and wait in line to get paid?
Yeah, pretty much.
Thank you.
I'll take care.
No problem. Holy cow.
That house.
It is insane in there. But we got some fish and some fish fry and no beignets. It's a little too early for me for that.
What?
That is what? What? I don't know. It seems a little early for.
Who are you this morning?
I don't know. I got up too early. That's what happened. Okay, let's hit another grocery store, and then I need to go to a pet store because Santa's coming. So, oh, we have some stockings back here. Some little twinkle lights. We'll see if Santa finds us. Is Santa gonna find a good girl? Yeah, I think so. He'll come down the air conditioner. Santa's gotta go shopping. Campground, 4.7 miles. That is red clay. That was really pretty.
Red
Dirt road. That is really pretty. Crossing my fingers that,
We're well traveled though.
okay, good.
Hard packed.
Yeah. It, but that last little part was sketch. So our friends are coming in behind us. I better let them know. The road's fine except that last little bit. So far, we're not quite there yet, I guess. Oh, here. Okay, cool. This is it then. Yay, this worked out. I'm excited.
I don't think the rope swing is going to be very good in this water depth.
No, I don't think so.
Black.
This is a great spot. We're on a beach for Christmas. And it's a free. So you just call ahead, get a permit, and this place is free. So it's kind of like Dupuy Management Area that we've stayed at before in Central Florida by like Okeechobee. You gonna try the swing, babe?
See if I can get out to the water.
Okay. Do it. I dare ya. This is awesome. The sun's out. It's actually starting to warm up.
And the campground's empty.
It's empty. I'm just grateful we found the spot. This tree is cool, huh?
The whole place is cool.
Okay, our friends got here. I'm excited. There's baking going on back here. They have an oven like ours. And it's our friends Martin and Nellie, and they're from Nova Scotia. They're actually originally from the Netherlands, and they moved to Nova Scotia about 12 years ago, and they own a bed and breakfast. So I'm really excited to try what he's making. It's going to be some kind of Dutch treat. I'm going to have him tell us what it is, actually. Let's go this way. It is very cold. It's not as warm as it once was.
The bay.
Yes, the wind off the water. So we'll see how this baking's going to go with the temperature outside. It is pretty chilly. So Martin, tell me what you are making.
I am making a Dutch kerststol, which is like a Christmas stollen. They have it in Germany and in the Netherlands.
Oh.
And it's just a sweet dough with, you can put anything in there, raisins, nuts, colored fruit, and we put almond paste in it.
And do you, is it going to be rolled out flat and then rolled, like you put the sprinkle stuff in and roll it?
Yeah, I can do.
It is?
Yeah, probably depends on the size how I can put it in the oven.
Oh,
but it's supposed to be like you pin it out, you put a roll inside in the middle, and then you fold it over, and you get like a flat Christmas bread, and you cover it with powdered sugar, and then it looks nice.
I'm very excited.
Not sure how it'll taste, but.
And with the temperature, we'll see if this will
Yeah, normally you do this at around 90 degrees then, but then now it's, what is it today? I have no idea.
50?
It's supposed to be 60, mid-60s today, but I think when the sun gets up a little higher would be good. There's just so much shade here.
But I'm told to start in the morning.
Well, it might take all day to make.
No.
All right, we'll come back. We'll see how this turns out. Curious to see it.
This is really crazy.
I know what, you can do it like that. You can fold it in.
Oh yeah, that's my
More
style. I
evenly.
like that. Just throw it in.
And then I'm gonna just, keep your spoon away.
The carving
And there's orange and lemon already in the dough.
Yes.
Yeah.
And these are just, well, what you're having. You can put in.
Oh, I'm already hungry.
I think it's gonna be great with a nice hot cup of coffee. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. This is actually a breakfast thing,
Yeah.
but who cares, eh?
No, there are no rules.
You probably have seen it sometimes, no?
No.
If I show you a picture on the net, you know.
Of what it actually looked like?
Yeah.
No,
What it's supposed to be.
I've not seen one.
Okay, I'll show you later.
It's not a. I don't think it's common in the U.S. I'm excited.
We'll let you know.
I'm excited and hungry.
Well, it's gonna take about 2 hours.
Okay, I
So
can
it's
wait.
gonna be a lunch thing. I
Yeah, good.
hope. On the end, but. Where's he?
Oh, I see. I see the almond paste. Oh, there it is. Oh.
See, it needs to.
Yeah, and there's not enough raisins in there.
Oh, it looks amazing though.
No.
I'm gonna go for it.
I'm gonna try an end and then, but this doesn't have almond paste.
But you
in
don't
it.
have almond paste in it.
Oh, okay. I like it because it's not overly sweet. It's not like a super sweet bread.
You're missing out, Dave.
Nah.
Sorry, we didn't wait for you. So this is almond paste in there.
What?
Yeah. Mhm.
Almond paste.
Yes.
Like almond butter?
No almond
No,
paste.
but they made it.
Made ourselves.
Mhm.
Huh.
And what was the name of this bread again?
Kerstel.
Kestel.
Christmas stollen.
Oh.
Something like that.
Mm.
Oh, it smells amazing.
He doesn't trust it.
Oh, I try. Gosh, that smells good.
I'm gonna have to try another piece of the almond paste because I
Oh, that was
didn't
real
have
good.
any in my first piece.
It's nice that you put butter on it.
Oh boy. I bet that's a hit at the bread and breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man. I could just
Yeah.
eat this butter.
I'm excited that there's 3 loaves. What's happening over here?
Last batch of fish.
What?
By my calculations, it should be done any minute now.
Our first time deep frying at camp, and in fact, we didn't really deep fry in our house either. I've never deep fried. So last night we had red snapper. This is gonna be grouper, caught locally. Whoa. Oh man. Oh hi, are you guarding the fish? Holy cow. That's gonna be good. So good. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah. I think we're gonna have to do this again.
Grouper.
Mm-hmm. Cheers. Cheers our fish.
Wow. Nothing special.
Now we have dessert. Nellie, what is this? Deliciousness.
Yeah, what is it?
Well, look at
All
me,
we
you
do
made
is
it.
eat here.
It's with cream cheese and
Whipped cream,
whipped cream.
chocolate.
Oh my.
And the bottom is made of speculaas.
What?
What?
Speculaas. That's a Dutch cookie.
Speculaas.
Speculaas.
So it's a
Speculaas.
Dutch cookie with.
Mixture of cream cheese
Okay.
and whipped cream.
I gotta get in here.
And chocolate and some
Oh.
strawberries.
Oh my.
Oh, sheesh. Gosh. It's small, but it's.
Oh,
it's
it's
no
rich,
calorie-
probably.
no calories.
I'm sure not.
Can probably not finish it.
Mm. I can probably finish that.
You should. That is like decadent.
Holy cow.
Bugs.
Oh, so many like little biting gnats down here. It's almost unbearable. But I have to show you guys. No, it seriously is. They're all over. I have to show you this sunset. It is just incredible.
pelican on the
There's
dock.
a pelican on the dock too, I think.
Well, it's not much of a dock.
Oh no, he's kind of sunning. Oh, this is just gorgeous. This is unreal.
You want to do the rope swing?
You do the rope swing. Do it. Do it. Do it.
It's only about 6 inches deep, so I don't think I'll let go.
This is our real life. We get to have, you know?
Yeah.
I'll give you a little push.
You push.
Okay. Whoa! Oh, your booty almost hit. Ah! Merry Christmas, Pistol. What's in here? What's in your stocking? Let's see. Oh, oh no!
Meow.
Nope. It's a can of green beans. Oh, there you go. Santa Martin. You all tuckered out because you've had so many treats. Yeah, he's a good puppy. We got a monster going in the oven.
Look what she did.
It is actually quite heavy. It's like a 6-pound apple pie.
There's
There
the
we
drum
go.
roll.
Okay.
Your timer is off, Dave.
Yeah, timer's pretty low. Ooh.
We made that in a piece of metal.
Wow.
Oh, it smells.
Amazing salad, roast beef, curry.
Oh, curry's good.
Oh,
Rice is
it smells so good. Yeah, she put coconut milk in with the rice and sweet potato,
Yes.
chunks of sweet potato. I gotta try it. I haven't tried it yet. Mmm. Lots of flavor. That's really good. Well, thanks for spending your Christmas with us. It's an unconventional Christmas.
Yes. And it was our pleasure.
I know, it's meant to be. It's like the end of our stay here. The sun is shining on us.
Oh, it's wonderful.
Beautiful. This is
I've
what
got a
I've been
scoop
waiting
to get it
for.
out.
Yes. Like that?
Sure.
Go for it. Oh wow, that does
That looks
look
fantastic.
pretty. Oh, wherever it's going, go. Yep.
You see the bottom?
Oh. Oh,
It's
got
good.
it's
It's good.
done. Oh
It's
my
good.
gosh, I'm
It's golden.
shocked. Wow.
You ready to go?
That is really amazing what we can make in that oven.
I know, it's unreal.
Everybody needs one.
Wow.
$25 oven.
Bye! So we're gonna roll out,
It's going to be a beautiful, warm, sunny Florida day.
finally. I may put shorts on.
This was an awesome 3 days at this camp spot.
Yeah, we really lucked out and scored with this for sure.
Plus we ate ourselves into comas.
That's all we did. We just ate. But it was so delicious. I love tasting all their food. We are heading over to the East Coast, so stay tuned for that, and we'll catch you on the other side. Carry on.
Carry on.